Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing this incredibly delicious herb and garlic roasted chicken. It's tender, it's juicy, it's well spiced. Believe me, you're going to want to make this. And for those of you that miss Eddie, he's chilling under the Christmas tree. He wants chicken, but he's not allowed to have it. So what I've got first off here, guys, is 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and this is melted. Then I'm going to add in some rosemary, and you can do this according to taste. But I just love rosemary. Remember, she had a baby. Some fresh thyme. And of course you can use the dried stuff if you like. Garlic, just to keep the vampires away. Of course, as always, some salt. And ground black pepper. Give this a mix up. Just like me, I'm mixed up. Now what I've got here is a bird, and he's about 1.2 to 1.4 kilograms. So I'm going to stuff him with some wedges of lemon, just in the cavity here, some onion, and this is going to make him so delightful. Now what I'm going to do is peel this skin back, something like this, and pour this delicious butter mixture inside. And you want to try and get this into every little nook and cranny. Now I'm just going to give this guy a shake, make him dance. Just make sure things get in there. After we got the inside seasoned, I'm just going to pour the mixture over the chicken too. This smells so good. Season with a little bit more pepper. I just love pepper. Then I'm just going to grab up some string and tie the legs together. Okay, so we're going to bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for about an hour and a half. After about an hour and a half, our chicken is beautifully done, so we're ready to carve. You can serve this up with some steamed veggies, absolutely delicious. Even some potatoes, but you know, I'm trying to cut back on the carbs. So let's go ahead and carve into this. Oh, this looks so juicy. Just check this out. My goodness. So we're going to go ahead and plate this up. And it looks, like I said before, incredibly juicy and delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in here. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is so incredibly delicious. It's juicy. The herbs, the spices. You gotta make this. You're gonna love it. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool chicken recipes. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.